broke records and won people's hearts, and with their hearts, an award. A card which was released earlier this year and has been making strides and destroying competition left, right and center. The AMD Radeon 7900 XTX graphics card. This card starts at 85,990 plus taxes with 24 GB of GDDR6 RAM, has engine clock speeds up to 2615 MHz in boost clock and up to 2455 MHz in game clock. It comes with one HDMI 2.1, two native DisplayPort 2.1 and one Type-C USB, and supports up to 4 8K 60Hz displays. This award-winning card blows everything out of the water. With exceptional 3D benchmark scores and even better gaming performance, this card handles it all beautifully. Graphic-intensive games like GTA 5, Far Cry 6, The Last of Us Part 1, Valorant, Overwatch 2 and many more all ran with an average of over 100 FPS and performed exceptionally well without any lag. With exporting Blender project in under 22 seconds, this card is a beast in its own regard. So, this was the ASUS AMD Radeon 7900 XTX, one of AMD's best. You can find this graphic card on VishalPeripherals.in, where you can also customize your own PC, where they are giving the game Avatar Frontiers of Pandora with the card. So, go ahead and get a card for yourself before it's too late.